Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and checking the left kick panel and lower dash for a small release lever that moves about 1 inch when pulled. If your escape has a dashboard button instead, press and hold that fuel door button for 1 to 2 seconds until you hear a click. If the vehicle is locked, unlock using the key fob unlock button or the driver door unlock. Modern escapes prevent fuel door opening while locked to avoid theft or accidental access. If the electric release fails, move to the trunk or rear cargo area and locate the emergency fuel door tether. Pull that tab about 2 to 3 inches to unlatch the door. Before removing the gas cap, turn off the engine and keep any open flames, cigarettes, or sparks at least 5 feet away from the fuel area for safety. If the door is stiff, apply gentle outward pressure while pulling the release to help it pop, avoiding force that could break clips or deform the panel. Once the fuel door is open, rotate the gas cap counterclockwise until it stops, usually 1 to 2 full turns, then place the cap on the door holder or a safe spot. When refueling is done, install the cap and tighten clockwise until you hear 2 to 3 clicks. That ensures a proper seal and prevents vapor leaks or a check engine light. If the cap is cracked or the clicks are absent, replace it with a Ford-approved cap to maintain the evaporative emissions system and safe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.